dropped from the sky. This is the work of the sociable weaver. Not one bird, not one pair, but an entire community. Layer by layer, twig by twig, they construct the largest bird-built structures on Earth. Some nests weigh over a ton. Some last more than 100 years. Inside, it's not just a nest, it's an apartment complex. Dozens, sometimes hundreds, of chambers line the underside. Each room carefully woven, each entrance guarded. The inner chambers trap heat during icy desert nights. Outer chambers stay cooler under the burning